Welcome, friends. Here I am going to give you the brief about 5 year plans which were executed in the past after our independence. So, in this lecture, I'm going to describe you that what happened during these 5 year plans, what were the main objectives of these plans, what are the basic objective of these plans, and these things are directly asked in your competitive examination as well as other examinations. So you just go through these points and you can utilize them as per your requirement. So the 5 year plans were executed during 1951 to 2017. The basic objective of these plans were: first, growth; second was modernization; third was self reliance; and fourth was equity. Now, in the first 5 year plan, the major objective was agriculture production, because that time we have to buy food grains, wheat, etc. from other countries like America and others. So there were dependency upon those countries. So we have decided for the agriculture productions. In the second one, there was the establishments of heavy industries. This plan was based on PC Mahalbonis project. And in the third one, there was increase in the national income more than 500% annually, and increase in agriculture produce to achieve self-sufficiency by increasing food grain production. In the fourth one, there was goal of attainment of 5.5% per annum growth in national income, bring economic stability, self-reliance, and achievement in the supply of essential mass consumption goods. In the five-year plans, there was in goal to increase level of employment, reduce poverty, and self-sufficiency in agriculture. In the sixth one, there was rapid industrial development, improved tourism industry. Karibi Hatao slogan was used officially very first time in this plan. In the seventh one, there was generating employment through social justice, strive towards socialism and energy production at large. In the eighth one, there was universalization of elementary education and complete eradication of illiteracy among the people in the age group of 15 to 35 years. Inclusion of the financial sector as integral part of plan was the very first time recognized in this plan. In the ninth one, there was population control, generating employment by giving priority to the agriculture and rural development. In the tenth one, there was attainment of 8% GDP growth per year, reduction of poverty rate by 5% till 2007. In the 11th one, the target was of GDP was 9 to 10% per annum. Agricultural growth was decided for 4%, reduction in poverty ratio by 10% till 2012, increase in the forest cover to 33% by 2012. In our 12th plan, there was achieve faster, sustainable, and more inclusive growth. Decentralization, empowerment, information technology, and innovation were the goals of the 12th year plans. Thank you, friends.